Yo, what's up? This is Real Talk Darbs, and I just wanted to say my experience with Swing Up Agency and Joshua Mafelix when I was working with them. Alam nyo, sobrang na-surprise ako sa team na to kasi hindi ko akalain na kaya nilang i-hit yung expectation ko. I mean, real talk ito, and you cannot make me say things if I know that it's not really working because I wanted to protect my name. I was happy giving this testimonial because Joshua and Swing Up was basically able to really hit yung target na inalat namin sa kanya. I have a program called Content That Converts. And by the way, when we partnered up with them, we were able to hit our target of 2,000. And by the way, I was very skeptical nung sinabi niya na kaya niya daw i-target yun. And with a specific ROAS, na-hit namin. And I'm very, very happy, especially din sa Content Mastery Bootcamp. It's not just the result, but the pleasure of working with Joshua and the team was very, very great. Yes, they set boundaries, specifics on how we should work together, pero there are times where I felt like we were very demanding because there are certain issues na nagka-come up eventually on the campaign, which is not their fault. But eventually, the team was there and they were able to handle it well, professionally, and very timely. Not to mention the fact na sobrang galing ni Josh when it comes to presenting data, especially ng team niya, and was really able to bring the results. Tsaka very professional ang team niya, were able to send weekly reports at meron kaming request, meron kaming campaign na gusto i-launch right away. Yung team niya nandyan, palaging nakaabang and was able to really happily accommodate us. When we request for a meeting, Josh will be there and the team will be there and answer our questions if in case meron kaming mga questions when it comes to the process. Bottom line, Swing Up and Joshua Mafelix was able to really over-deliver when it comes to us being able to work with them. And we got a revenue close to more than 8 figures when we started working with them. This is the first time that we were able to get that. I'm very, very happy to say this testimonial by Real Talk Darbs. I would not be ashamed in telling you na medyo mataas ang standards namin when it comes to working. But Swing Up and Joshua Mafelix did not disappoint. He's the real deal actually. Napaka-professional. And if in case nagdadalawang isip kayo in working with these talented team, wag na kayo magdalawang isip ng vouching for them. And sobrang galing as in. I can really see partnering up with Josh for a long period of time because it's always a pleasure working with this guy and the team. Josh, if you're listening, Swing Up team, if you're listening, maraming salamat sa inyo. And hindi ako mahihiyang sasabihin na Swing Up and Joshua Mafelix is Real Talk Darbs approved.